I put up 2 charts, and basically, had asked folks which ones would they choose. One of them had a pretty steady trend up. The other one was a little bit wonky. I had mentioned that they both were crushed by the overall markets and that they were both reopening plays. So if we just go ahead, I'll show you guys the 2 charts I was talking about, and it was interesting to get the responses because the first one that I put up was actually AMC. So I put up the daily chart of AMC, and this is the chart that is AMC. And the second one was a materials play that we've been talking about for months, and it was EAF, which has been on a nice steady trend. And if you guys are part of the Chaos Crew, if you've been watching this channel for 5 minutes, you guys know that I've been pretty big on the materials plays. This one from $6 all the way up to $14.17. And AMC kind of had a similar trajectory, except for when you looked at some of the Wall Street Bets craziness that happened when GME went crazy. But this is how volatile it's been. It's been all over the place. This makes it much less predictable and much less comfortable to hold. And so I asked folks what they preferred to hold, and the response was actually quite interesting because most of them were like, "I'd rather hold something like an EAF." But you have everybody that and their mother that are talking about how AMC is going to $100, and so this is kind of the point that I was trying to make. When you kind of gauge the market and make educated decisions on how you want to look at things, and you look at something that's nice and organized like this, and this looks way more attractive to buy the dip on because you have a really good indication of how this moves, historically, than something like AMC where you just have no idea what's going to do that one day to the next. It's down 10% today.
Yeah, that's for sure, and that's. People just don't want the unsexy. EAF is not sexy.
No, it's not.
And I think they get hooked on the meme run with GameStop, and AMC was kind of tied to that, and they want to catch that again. But no, you're absolutely right. And those type of blind things prove confirmation bias.
I said Monday that $16 could be the top, at least in the short term. And it hit that resistance and came right back down.
Yeah.
And I got a bunch. I had some hate.
As you talk, Q's just went green.